Welcome to this easy English story for beginners. In this video, you will listen to a short and simple story to help you learn English through listening. This is a great way to practice English listening and understand English in a fun way. Let's begin the story.
Chapter 1. A Big Dream. Long ago, Europe wanted spices, gold, and silk from Asia. Traveling by land was slow and dangerous. Sailing seemed faster, but no one knew what was across the ocean. Christopher Columbus had a big idea. He wanted to sail west to reach Asia. Most people thought he would fail or die at sea. Columbus asked many kings for help. In 1492, Spain gave him 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. He left Spain with hope and courage. His men were scared, but they followed him. They sailed into the unknown. Chapter 2. The Long Journey. The ocean was wide and full of fear. The sailors saw no land for weeks. Some wanted to turn back. Columbus told them to wait a little longer. He believed land was near. He watched the sky and the sea every day. One morning, a sailor shouted, "Land!" It was October 12th, 1492. They were so happy and full of hope. They had reached an island in the Caribbean, but Columbus thought it was Asia. He had no idea this was a new land. Chapter 3. Meeting the natives. The native people came with smiles. They gave food and gifts. They had never seen ships or men like this before. Columbus called them Indians. He thought he was in India, but he was far from it. He saw gold on the people. He wanted more. He wrote they were peaceful and easy to control. He claimed the land for Spain. He planned to return with more ships, but he did not see it was already someone's home. Chapter 4. A New World and Great Loss. Columbus returned to Spain. He was called a hero. Soon, many others came to explore and take. The Europeans brought guns and diseases. The native people could not fight back. Millions began to die. Many natives were forced to work. Others were killed or died from sickness. Whole tribes disappeared forever. Columbus did not find Asia, but he changed history. The new world began, but the old one was deeply hurt.
This is the end of the story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy English story for beginners and want to learn more English, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. Every like and share helps the channel grow. Tell me in the comments, what kind of story should I make next? See you in the next story.